Hi! In front of me is TCL 403 and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Then click on All Services right next to Recommended. Scroll down and click on Autofill. Now tap on Autofill with Google, scroll down again, and finally access Google Password Manager. Now to check a password, click on it over here, enter your current login method, and click on this eye icon next to it to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!